That's good right there.
All right, perfect.
All right, Diego, what are we working on today?
Looks like we got a 25 GMC Sierra. It's the AT4X package. We're doing wheel tires, clearance kit, so we can put some 37s on this thing, and then got a bed cover for it as well.
Sweet.
I mean, it's pretty cool to put a 37-inch tall tire on a factory-high truck with a little bit of very highly engineered fender trimming. Yeah, so it started out as a AT4, and then they came out with AT4X, and then the AT4X with the AEV package, which is AEV lettering, bumpers.
Why not the first time we've worked on a vehicle for this customer?
Yeah, so Dave, you probably met Dave back in 2012, 13. Been a very great, loyal customer. He first came to us with a 86 CJ7, wanted to upgrade the power plant. We did a LS3, 525 horse LS3. Jeep was featured on the cover of JP magazine. Amazing Jeep. Dave's had Toyota products, he's had GMC products, and he's been extremely loyal, continuing to bring us back. He's invited out to his house. I bought an LJ from him. Just a great supporter of DunksPerformance and a great friend.
For a 37-inch tire is really good.
Damn it, dude! Get that thing out of my face.
So this is all part of the kit. These are all aftermarket brackets. All this has been trimmed. These are brackets. Something like that.